Jimmy. Today I'll be doing a hike at the Lewis Trail at Starved Rock, and there's going to be a massive waterfall at the end, but we're just at the beginning, so
stay tuned.
Yeah, stay tuned. So here is the massive pair of stairs. It is the St. Louis Canyon. 2.1 mile hike and good for all skill levels, located near Utica, Illinois. It's not sandy, but it feels sandy. No, wait, there is sand on it. See?
Yeah.
There's legit sand on it. A mini canyon. Okay. Ooh, and a littler cave. Ooh, and an even smaller cave, which a spider or snake could live in. A lot of spider webs.
Oh, some of this trail looks so rickety. You gotta be very, very careful. You have to climb down. Right here?
Okay, let's go. That looks like a freaking... It looks like 100 feet tall. Look how satisfying that looks. Whoa, we're so close. I remember that. Look, it's a cave. Right there.
Where? Oh, let me. You're right.
We're here, we're here. You can hear the water. Oh boy. I ain't safe.
You can take this stone path over here to the right. Oh, it's so muddy though over there.
We're here. It's so exciting. Look at it. Starved Rock is 140 feet high, and the legend says that in the 18th century, the Ottawas drove a band of Illinoisans onto the cliff where they died of thirst and starvation. Look at this rock I got. I can crush it. It's so weak. It is sandstone!